What are we on, Emma?
Huh?
What are we on?
Recording it again?
Yeah.
Cali River Rapids.
Part
Close
2?
to Homestead. We're on Cali River Rapids.
Part 2.
Second time.
Right, second time.
Look, see how I'm trying to close the hole? Turn almost down. Yeah. Alright. Did you tell in the camera what the temperature is today?
No, it's a cold day today. It's what? It's in the mid-60s here with a cold wind. Like 10 to 20 with some higher gusts. Although the trees are knocking the wind down pretty good, but you can see it moving.
Not
with the sun out, it's not bad, but
I'm pretty warm.
being wet, it's a little different.
Stay this way. You don't have to turn. You don't have to turn anymore.
It's Expedition Everest.
This way you are. You don't have to turn. I'm barely wet. You won't be warm if you get wet.
Oh.
Where is it? Right there?
Where's what?
I don't want to do it. No! Don't fly up. No, Emma. Back one. Emma.
Can't get this to stay on.
Oh, Emma, yes! I got stuck.
Uh-oh, we're stuck. I don't want to go down back first. That's what gets wet.
I know.
Well, they all get wet, I guess.
It could turn, but that didn't turn too much.
Nope, I'm gonna have to hide the camera again. Here we go. Woo! Oh my word, that was a lot more water that time. Holy cow.
I think you covered that. That would have got so.
Yep. That was a lot more water that time.
I know, because we were backwards. It's still not wet. Because there's less people. And my hair's still not wet.
Good.
My hair's in a ponytail. And my body's barely wet except my legs.
Oh, a lot went down my back.
Down your back or?
No, down the back of this.
Okay. And I'm barely wet at all.
Oh. Sprinklers in there.
Are we gonna do this again?
Isn't that enough?
No. One more time and then we won't do this one.
All right.
Agreed?
Is that agreed, Jake?
Not today at least.
Well, we have fast passes next time too, I think.
Yeah.
That'll be a warm day. It'll feel better.
Yeah. You have fast passes for this one?
Yeah, I believe so. This Everest and then one other thing that was different than today. Oh!
I was starting to take it off.
Wasn't ready for that. The elephants got us.